Good morning. Welcome to this 1 minute morning yoga practice designed to wake up and refresh your body. Let's get started. Pose 1, mountain pose. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Engage your core. Feel strong and grounded. Arms by your sides. Relax your shoulders. Pose 2, neck stretch. Slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing your head towards your shoulder. Hold for 3 breaths. Switch sides. Pose 3, shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward, up and back. Release tension. Relax shoulders down. Repeat for 3 rounds. Pose 4, chest expansion. Place your hands on a wall or door frame. Lean forward, stretching your chest. Hold for 3 breaths. Pose 5, seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, reaching for your toes. Hold for 3 breaths. Pose 6, final breath. Sit comfortably, eyes closed. Focus on your breath. Inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Hold for 5 breaths. Final tips. Remember, yoga is a journey. Start your day feeling refreshed, renewed, and ready to take one on the world. Thanks for practicing with me. Subscribe for more morning yoga routine and wellness tips.